I'm Mohammad Azruddin from Web Trainings Academy, and we are going to start a new series of videos introducing the concept of inbound marketing. So in this today's video, we are going to discuss about the fundamental and the basics. What exactly is inbound marketing? How does it work? What are the different aspects related to the inbound marketing? So let's start with the basic definition of inbound marketing. So you see, the basic idea about inbound marketing is this, that inbound marketing focus on creating useful and relevant content for users to attract them towards our brand or our business and convert them to a long-term customer. Now, let us consider inbound marketing as an aspect like this. See, inbound marketing is neither a technology. Inbound marketing is not a software. So what is inbound marketing basically is, it's a strategy. It is a marketing methodology, or it's a marketing strategy where our goal is, with the help of quality of content, with the help of some tools, with the help of some information, we are going to generate the people, we are going to generate the traffic to our website. From there, we will follow certain steps and certain methods to convert these particular users into our long-term customers. That is the idea of inbound marketing. So, and who started this inbound marketing, who coined this term is, as per the most of the users, you are already aware that HubSpot is a company, or one of the co-founder of HubSpot have coined the term inbound marketing. And if you see, one of the major brand who is a pioneer in this field of inbound marketing is HubSpot.com, and as well as our presentation, many things on the presentation also have been taken from from HubSpot.com to give you a very simplified explanation of this particular topic. Let's move on to the next part of our discussion about inbound marketing strategy. Now, what is the overall idea of inbound marketing? See, it is something like a sales funnel, where what is our idea with inbound marketing is, if we are having a stranger who doesn't even know about us, right? So what we will do with inbound marketing is, a complete stranger, we want to make him promote our product or business. It's a very big ask, right? Just getting a customer itself is a big task. But how can you make some stranger first to visit your website? After visiting your website, making him promote your website is a big ask. But that is what inbound marketing is going to help us. It's going to help us in such a way that we can able to convert a stranger into a promoter of our brand. Now, what is the funnel? How does this funnel really look like? And in our further classes, we are going to discuss about each of these stage in detail, but because it's an introduction stage, I'm just going through briefly about this concept. So first of all, see, inbound marketing consists of this the funnel elements. Like, first, the customer is in us as a stranger. What we are going to do for from when he's stranger is, first phase of inbound marketing is called as an attract stage. So what is an attract stage? In this stage, the goal of the person, the goal of the company is to get the customer into the website. So how we do that? We are having various options that we will discuss further, but our goal number one is to bring the stranger to our website. And one of the best way to do that is content marketing, and in that we can say blogging, we can offer some ebooks. There are many things by which we can attract the stranger to become a visitor. That is a step number one, attract stage. Once a visitor came to our website, what we are going to do next? We want that person to fill the form, or we want that person to buy our product. Now, how it is possible? How is going to buy our product or fill the form? So in that stage, we get the concept of convert stage. So what is the convert stage? Is in simple terms, in convert stage, we prepare a landing page, or we use the form, we use certain options in such a way that the person will fill the form, or he will just subscribe and then become a lead on our website. That is a stage number two, convert stage. After that, stage number three is closing stage, which simply means that once we got a lead, how do you convert? So in this stage, we will require something called as lead nurturing. We will require something called as CRM usage and all. We will discuss more about each of these stages in further classes, but you can understand the basic idea here. That is, first, starting from a stranger, he should become a visitor. Once he become a visitor, we will convert him and get a lead, and once he become a lead, then we want to make him our customer by using certain tactics and certain methodologies. And then finally, once we complete all this, we want the person, we give them, then when we go into the delight stage with our proper customer support, with our proper service, and with our social media channels, etc., we are next going to convert the person to become a promoter of our business, which is a very, very tough task to make the person customer to promote. That is what inbound marketing will help you. With the proper technique and strategy, we can able to get the person through all these phases. And see, it's possible that sometime many people may left here, or sometime they will leave here. So we can conduct certain tests, we can conduct certain options to know why people are leaving in the landing page. What's the problem? Why they are not filling the form? So we can do a lot of analysis on it called as A by B testing, etc., which we will discuss further in our topic. So now if you see, each of these stages, as I said, requires certain methodologies. So what are those options we require is, see, in the attract stage, we require certain options like blogging, we will require social media, we will require keyword concepts, we will require some pages. Now, as we move on, we will go into all these topics in depth. Every of this section will be taken as a separate video. Number 2 is the convert stage, where we'll study about which call to action should be used, what landing pages should be used, forms and contacts, etc. we will use in the convert stage. And then closing stage, we work on email workflows, we work on lead scoring, we work on CRM integrations, etc. And in the delight stage, we work on social media, and we work on smart call to actions, email workflows, etc., so that the customer can be converted into a promoter. So this is the basic idea of inbound marketing. So in a nutshell, we can define this way, that inbound marketing is a strategy where our goal is to convert a stranger into a promoter of our business. And for getting this, we have different areas in this we have to concentrate, and each of these topics we are going to discuss further in our next video of this series. I hope you have understood the basics here, and if you understood the video, please you can like, share, and comment on our video, as well as you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.